Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share information about the various programs offered by the Institute of Good Manufacturing Practices, India. This video will be very helpful to you if you are looking to enhance your career in food safety, pharmaceuticals or quality assurance. So, IGMPI is a recognized institute dedicated to promoting good manufacturing practices across multiple industries, including food, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare. So, it is accredited by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and approved by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. This ensures that the programs are not only comprehensive but also meet industry standards. Let's dive into the main programs available. As you can see, they have provided various programs related to food quality, food processing, food science and technology, food packaging, bakery and confectionery, etc. So, what is this postgraduate diploma and executive diploma? Postgraduate diploma is a 12-month program designed for graduates looking to deepen their knowledge in areas such as GMP, quality assurance, and regulatory affairs. It includes a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical applications, ensuring that students are industry ready. Executive diploma is for those seeking a faster route to expertise. The 6-month executive diploma offers an advanced curriculum. This program is perfect for professionals looking to upskill quickly while maintaining their current jobs. So, IGMPI provides both regular, that is in offline, and online learning modes. So this flexibility allows students to choose the mode that best suits their schedules. Whether you prefer attending classes in person or engaging through interactive online sessions, IGMPI has you covered. This curriculum is designed by industry experts and includes key topics such as GMP, quality control, regulatory affairs in food and pharmaceuticals, clinical research and pharmacovigilance, medical writing and coding. So each course integrates case studies and real-world applications to ensure that students are not just learning theory but also know how to apply it in their careers. Moreover, IGMPI is committed to student success. It offers robust placement assistance through a dedicated cell that helps students connect with potential employers in the industry. This is a fantastic opportunity for graduates to launch their careers. Additionally, IGMPI provides a 10% fee concession for candidates from SC or ST backgrounds, physically handicapped individuals, and ex-servicemen for its PG diploma courses. This initiative reflects IGMPI's commitment to inclusivity and support for all aspiring students. So the last date for applying for this courses is 24 September 2024. So when you come into the link, you can find an option how to apply. So under this, you will find all the instructions on how to apply for this course. Read it once and then you can also find the application form in the same link. Check out the free structure of the course if you are interested to join the course. In conclusion, if you are looking to advance your career in food safety, pharmaceuticals or healthcare, IGMPI offers comprehensive programs that equip you with the necessary skills and knowledge. With flexible learning options, expert faculty, and a focus on real-world application, you can be sure you are receiving top-notch education. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what topics you'd like to hear about next. Until next time, take care.